What is going on today, guys? So we finally got a decent snow event up here, so I figured it was a good time to shoot a little footage of the 1977 work truck revival project and do a test run to diagnose what this truck is good at and also what it needs to work on to become a complete tank of a work truck. The first thing to acknowledge is that the truck starts great. Even in 5 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, it just needs one pump on the gas pedal to set the electronic choke and it fires right up. After letting it warm up for a while, it was time to hit the road. The truck is a smooth ride, but definitely needs some suspension work as it's pretty old and kind of rides like a big boat. So since I need to do suspension work anyway, I plan on upgrading this to a 3/4 ton pickup. Once I got to work and started using the plow, I noticed that even with bald tires, the truck has plenty of traction and more than enough power to push as much snow as the blade will possibly hold at any time. I planned on doing some engine work to this old 350, but I think just a simple tune-up is really all that it needs. The only two things I noticed with this truck on its first hard work day is that it needs a better heater. My windows were continuously fogging up due to the blowing snow and moisture in the air, and the heater, although it was plenty hot, could just not keep up with the rate that the windows were freezing over. The second thing that I need to do with this truck is find a way for the carburetor to be more protected. We have a lot of heavy winds and blowing snow where I live, so carburetor icing is a big issue. To alleviate this, I plan on protecting the air intake a little better, either by using screens on the intake or going with a different intake setup altogether. The last thing this truck really needs to function better is a nice set of tires. Although it has a lot of power, I noticed that the low clearance and bald tires really limited how deep of snow I could really trek through. So I think a set of larger and more aggressive treaded tires will do this truck wonders. Mechanically, the pickup is phenomenal, and I can't think of anything in particular that I would change about the old GMC. The next couple projects to increase reliability, though, will be a better heater core and new tires. And then from there, we can work more on cosmetics to make the truck look as good as it performs. I hope you like this test run of our newest project. If you want to see where this project goes, please share the video with others and subscribe if you haven't already. We have a lot of new content coming out every week pertaining to this work truck revival project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.